Welcome to a new part of our channel. It's called Cody's RCs. We have been testing out this FTX Carnage and I have to say it's really good. We had a little issue. Cody hit a post, you'll see the full video of it in a second. We tested it over jumps, grass, everything like that, and we'll show you the full video now. Is it your purple car? Open the box in. How big is that? No. I don't need to open it. How good is that? You can't drive it inside though. Do you want to take it to the park? Do you want to take it to the park? Yeah? Right, are you excited? Yeah! Good. Right. Yeah! Ava, come over here. Wait, Ava's there. It's heavy for Ava. Go on, Ava. That's it. Power. Coming back your way. Cut post. Post. Be careful post, Cody though. Broken. So Cody had a little accident with a post. I don't know if you saw in the video, but it is totaled. It is completely totaled. So we 3D printed some more brackets, so hopefully they hold for a little while we wait for the aluminium parts to come. But this is the first time I've taken apart one of these, so wish me luck.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on trial. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at?
So don't ask how I got to this stage, but I think when Cody crashed, he bent the screw and it's now cross-threaded. And I had to cut that off and then lock the pliers in and then unscrew it like this. So hopefully that's now done and we can actually put it all back together. Yeah, this one's fucked, this screw, so it's not going back in. Honestly, it's not cross-threaded, it's just a bit crap. So let's see if I can have one of those. But it's all done now. Now I have to put it all back together. When I'm doubting, shawty said you grow getting wild. No season sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low. So welcome back to Cody's channel. He's testing the FTX Carnage. We have done already some upgraded parts to it, but we'll show you that later. Because you have broken it, haven't you, Cody? Yeah, he did break it a couple of times, but he's going to show you how good these are for a beginner car. I know they say like 14 plus, but they are good fun. Ain't they, Cody? You going to go and let it rip? You gonna go fast? Yeah? You wanna drop it for him? See how good the suspension is? Do you wanna hold the controller? How good is it? Gonna do it again? One more time? Wow. Wow. I do a two-wheeler. Oh, Cody. Right, so in the video you just saw us test out this FTX Carnage, and yes, it is amazing.
Oh, that's mine! Not
really,
even a blanket worth.
No, it's really good, isn't it, Cody?
Mine will.
But what other ones you got?
This
one. What is it? It's an FTX Tracer brushless, because we like the FTX Carnage. We bought the baby version as well.
Yeah.
And then we're going to test them both together, aren't we, Cody?
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, and
Red car.
And then say, if you want to see more, like and subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Right.
Yeah.
So peace out, guys.
Peace out.